Nick Tumilowicz, Director of Product Management with Itron. We're leading a distributed energy management business unit that is really focused on solving a lot of problems in the industry today. So some critical things that we're up against these days is managing the energy transition with the infrastructure that we have before us. And so what we are doing here at Itron is we're leveraging a lot of the AMI, advanced metering infrastructure, advanced AMI 1.0 that is out there in the field. So that way we can benefit all the ratepayers and the consumers out there to leverage all that infrastructure that's in place. So that way we can do DER management better. So that allows consumers to adopt whatever they want, whenever they want, to be interconnected, and to be able to do that within the confines of the infrastructure of the grid that is currently in place. One of the most exciting things that we're working on today is we're launching a new software suite of tools called IntelliFLEX. IntelliFLEX is a combination of really sophisticated DER management solutions that we deploy in some of the most complicated markets in the world, like Australia, as well as our EV management behavior programs and traditional demand response management systems. So overall, we have about 30 different utility programs, 3 million devices that are connected in terms of DERs, and about 54 gigawatt hours under management that we dispatched last year over the seasons. So one of the biggest challenges that we have in terms of being able to decarbonize and to be able to manage customer energy resources is engaging with the customers themselves. And so by being able to incent and motivate customers to participate their assets, like an EV, they need to get to point A and point B, but at the same time, it's this really significant grid asset that can be made available. So together, as an industry, Itron is working with utilities, municipals, and cities across the country, across the world, to determine what kind of incentives and motivation we need in order to be able to really tap into all that flexible capacity at the edge of the grid. So in order to really access the flexibility of customer energy resources, Itron has partnered this year with some pretty significant players that have those edge devices that consumers are adopting. A few examples would be Tesla wall charger, Tesla Powerwall for batteries, Emporia level 2 EVSE home charging, Iguana battery energy storage, to name a few. I think it's also notable that it is really important to connect the consumer with the grid operator, and our partnership with Microsoft and the data fabric that they're offering in combination with our partnership with Schneider Electric really allows Itron's grid edge DERMS to connect with the consumer and to be able to provide that value to Schneider and Microsoft through the ADMS grid operation backend. So once you have that value fully captured, we can really benefit the grid and the consumers at the same time and move forward with the energy transition.